Hey guys, in this video, we will create a JavaScript function to find maximum difference among all possible pairs of given array of integers. So, in previous video, I explained how you can create a JavaScript function to find maximum difference among adjacent values in a given array of integers. But in this video, we will create a function that will find maximum difference among all the possible integers, not adjacent only. Okay. So for example, we have this array 1, 2, 4, 9, 11, and maximum difference between two elements will be 11 minus 1. So output should be 10. Here 18 minus 2, so it should be 16, and 100 minus 2, output should be 98. Okay, so this function should return maximum difference among all the possible pairs. Okay, so if you want to find the difference between adjacent values, you can visit my previous video, and in this video we will see how you can find the maximum difference among all the elements. Okay, so let's open JavaScript file and start creating the function. So first of all, we will create a function array diff, or you can say max array diff. Okay, is equal to ES6 arrow function. Okay, so let's take array1 is equal to this array. We will take all arrays for example and call this function max array diff and array1. Okay, fine. So now let's pass our array as argument. So what we will do, we will create two for loop. First of all, we will take loop let I is equal to 0, normal for loop, I less than array, that is all the elements, dot length and I plus plus. So this loop will loop through all the array elements. Okay, within this loop we will write another loop, let j is equal to 0. Okay, let j is equal to 0, j while j is not equal to I, and there will be two conditions, j is not equal to I and j less than array dot length. So it will loop through all the array elements while j is not equal to I. Okay, and the third parameter will be j plus plus, the increment. Okay, so in this second loop we will find the difference. Okay, so let's find the difference with math dot absolute function that will return the absolute value of any number. If the value is -5, this function will return 5, and if you pass the 5, then it will return absolute value 5. Okay, so we will pass here array of I minus array of j. Okay, this will be the difference, and let's assign that in another variable. Let's call it diff. Okay, after that we will find the maximum value using math function math.max. So this function will return the larger of a set of supplied numeric expressions. Okay, so if you pass 2 comma 3, it will return 3. If you pass 2 comma 30, it will return 30. It will return the maximum value from the arguments. So we will pass, let's take diff, and the second argument we need to take another variable, let's say max result. Okay, and before using it, let me initialize that value, let max result is equal to 0. Okay, and we will pass its value in a loop. Okay, so now we can simply return max result. Okay, then this function should return 10 minus 1, 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. Correct, it is returning 10. Okay, let me change it to something else. Let's change it 70. It should return 69. All right, it works fine. Okay, let me copy another array. Okay. And maximum difference should be 18 minus 2, 16. Correct, it is returning, and it should be 98. Okay, it is returning 98. So using two for loops, you can find the difference, and using max function, you can find the maximum difference between two elements of given array. It is not required to be adjacent array. It can be any elements. Like you can see 9, 10 or 100 minus 2. These two elements are adjacent in this example, but it may be like this or like this. Then it should be, let me make it 5. Then 100 minus 5, it should be 95. And 95. Okay, so this was the very easy example that you can find the maximum difference in a given array, and it should be integer. Okay, so this was all for this video, guys. If you are new to my channel, please visit my channel. There are more than 200 videos in my channel, and if you find those videos useful, please subscribe to my channel, and see you next time around. Thank you.